Well guys, guess what? I'm back here in Taipei City in Taiwan. I'm actually here for an 8-hour stopover, but instead of me staying in transit at the airport, I've decided to come into the city, Taipei main station, grab some dinner and just have a look around before jumping on a plane back to New Zealand. I think it's going to be 14 hours back to New Zealand. I've just come from Vietnam, been in Vietnam for the past 6 months. I have not been vlogging, and good reason for that, because I've been working on new projects, and also I set up an English center, so my time has been very busy, but at the same time I have enjoyed the time off, and I do feel I need to get back into the vlogging. So I'm here in Taipei City, Taiwan. I visited this place last year and caught up with a couple of friends. I'm here by myself, but I'm feeling hungry, so it's time to go and grab some dinner, and yeah. I am back here in my hometown, Auckland, New Zealand. I've come back to the farm. I'm here to get some spring water and some fruit and check out some of the animals. I tell you what though, it is chilly, 3 degrees. I've come back from Vietnam. It was 38 degrees. So really feeling the chilliness here in New Zealand. It is winter, and good to see some of the animals. Now I spent about 5 years on this farm here between 2012 and 2016, and I tell you what, it was an awesome experience. Coming here, I knew nothing about organic farms, let alone farm life, but I adapted, and yeah, it was a really good experience. So I know a lot about spring water, organic fruit, about growing your own food, gardening, permaculture. They call it open source ecology in a more technical term. And if anyone wants to get involved in any of that, man, check it out online. There's heaps of information about open source ecology and permaculture. I highly recommend it. But now I'm just strolling around the farm and checking out some of the farm vibes.